Hello friends, this is Sai Fanindra from SQL School, assuring you complete practice orientation from scratch. We have been in this training services for more than 18 years. I have been involved in induction trainings, technical trainings, corporate trainings, individual trainings, both online and offline. All these years on, especially database and SQL technologies, Microsoft technologies. At SQL School, I would be the trainer, I will be the caretaker, I will be the responsible person for the trainings and the technical takeaways for our participants. You can trust me. And today, in this short video, I would like to inform you about the new schedules for this upcoming week on the courses that we offer. Either you are into developer or administration, or you are into engineering or analysis, we have a course for you. Come on, let's plan to upskill ourselves. Let's be one above the crowd. Let's ensure our technical skill set and the mastering of the knowledge help us at our project and play a vital key role in our team, project team. Why SQL School? Yes, completely in-depth, real-time examples from scratch, right from the very basics. We understand every activity with real world, real life examples. Making your job ready, concept-wise FAQs, scenario-based questions, project interviews, mock interviews on weekends. And if your interviewer asks you like what you did in the project, what are the challenges you faced in the project, those kind of activities are the main key takeaways from our classes. And to start with, the SQL Server Transact SQL schedules you see on the screen. Once again, I would be the caretaker, I will be the trainer. I'm the only one from our school for Microsoft technologies. Until or unless you want one-to-one trainings, until or unless you want some customized trainings, we have options to arrange other nice trainers for you. In general, for regular schedules you see on the website for Microsoft technologies, I would be the caretaker, and in SQL we'll start from scratch, right from basics, 400 plus queries from scratch, minimum 400 queries, and additional 350 to 400 task items. Trust me, we have good number of tasks. You do more, you get more. It's all about the job. I want you to thank us from your job desk. Your colleagues should join our course for the next batch. We need to do that way. I need your support. If you are planning for DBA, database administration, with Azure Cloud, we have two schedules. You may be planning for an administrator or a consultant or an architect. You definitely love this course. We are into management, monitoring, migrations, clusters, always on, log management, tuning, troubleshooting, etc. are the main key takeaways from this course, SQL DBA. And then we have other important and interesting course, data engineering, a hot cake in the market, a bit lengthy course. In fact, we could see good number of registrations. Out of all courses, we see this Azure data engineering course doing very well in the market. We can clearly sense the trend from the rising inquiries and registrations in the recent past. This data engineering and the next one called Power BI. In this data engineering, we'll be learning good number of Azure components from scratch, like Azure Database, Azure SQL Pool, Data Factory, Analytics, Data Lake, Storage, Stream Analytics, Pipelines, Databricks, Jobs, Notebooks, Spark Databases, Python. We'll start from the scratch, from the very basics of Python. Of course, Python we have separate course, a 1 month course separately, but in general, whatever is required for Azure data engineers from Python perspective, we shall be taking in this class, in this course. We have a good number of examples on incremental loads, change data captures, Microsoft Entra, and logic apps. Though it's not listed here, we have other items like key vaults, logic apps, pipeline integrations, pipeline with notebook, notebook with pipelines, T-SQL with notebook, T-SQL with jobs, etc. A 7 weeks lengthy journey, fully packed with examples. Trust me, no PPT shows in our classes, no slide shows, straight into the point, to the game. And our next very common takeaway, key takeaway, Power BI. It is beyond reporting. Power BI, of course, reporting activities, but beyond that, we have visualizations, analytics. Beyond that, we have options pertaining to good number of activities for data mashup and lists, records, functions, Power Query parameters, DAX activities. We have those important items to take away. Power BI has total 7 different tools we need to install, 7. Plus, implement 2 technologies, Power Query and DAX, plus 2 hosting solutions, report server and cloud, Power BI service. So total 7 plus 2 plus 2, 11 components we need to learn as per Power BI ecosystem. We'll do it in a slow pace, straightforward, nice, lengthy, useful journey. I repeat again, 7 different tools, plus additionally 2 techniques, Power Query and DAX. So good amount of analytics we can do using Power BI. Helpful for analysts, engineers, and BI developers. When I say analysts, I mean data analysts, technical and business analysts, technical and functional, both. And we have Python analytics. One of the common key takeaway for data engineers and Power BI developers and analysts. Python analytics includes big data loads. From scratch, we'll understand why Python, what Python means, how to work with it, how to enjoy its actual beauty step by step. We'll be learning from engineering perspective as well as from analytics perspective, not from programming perspective. If you are looking for Python programming, we have separate course, separate trainer. This is from scratch mentioned, mainly intended for Python analytics. Yes, Python is so vast. You have Python AI, Python machine learning, Python data science, Python analytics, Python programming, and Python web applications. A full stack Python includes more than 7 different modules. Sorry, 6 modules. 6 modules. You have the information on your website, all those 6 modules of Python. We are into Python analytics here. Helpful for analysts and engineers. Of course, anyone can learn, everyone can learn. Our course and the project is mainly intended for these job roles. And with this information, what else? Yes, once again, on my screen, our menu card. Go by green boxes If you are looking for core development coding, go by black box. If you are looking for core engineering, warehouse, ETL, Power BI, analytics, or administration, blue box, as per your choice. Python analytics will be a common key takeaway for engineering and Power BI. Not necessarily required for administration, DBAs. So here are the schedules for our upcoming weeks, November come December, upcoming schedules. Trust me, 100% practical. I'm stressing again and again. Please help us to reach more interested participants who love to get into the technology. Help us to reach more number of participants who love to learn more. Help us to reach good number of participants who really want to get the essence of the technology. We love them. In-person care, in-depth concepts, use case scenarios, real life examples. We want to make the participants understand and enjoy the actual learning process. Only then we can expect the actual essence, the actual key takeaway, a successful project implementation. Call us for free demo or reach me directly on my number. We can discuss more about your current profile, your requirement, your expectations from the course. We can take it. I'll handle it. If you are looking for any one-to-one training, then you may reach our team directly. They may try to arrange a different trainer for you. Please don't mind. Let me be frank. Please understand my concern. Yes, you are looking for any of the schedules here. Any one of the schedules as per your course, please reach me directly. If you are looking for any customized trainings, anything else, you may reach our team. Please help us to reach more number of interested participants like you. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. See you soon in our live demo session. The very first class is a demo session. It's an introduction class. Batch starts the very next day. Okay, so everything streamlined, everything guaranteed. Pretty sure about it. The batch starts very next day. So you may choose SQL, or if you're already aware of SQL, then you may directly go for Power BI or Azure Engineering or Python Analytics as per your choice. See you soon in our live session to understand more about our course and its lengthy curriculum. You may download the curriculum from our website, or you may even WhatsApp us. Our team would be readily sharing the curriculum, course content curriculum. You may refer to it. Based on your job role, you choose your course carefully or use me for your doubts and clarifications before you sign up for the course. Thank you so much once again. See you soon in our live session. Thank you. Have a nice time. Take care.